In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick that you can use to get absolutely free targeted traffic from Twitter. And I'm going to show you how to use this simple strategy to make money on CPA Grip. As you can see right on the screen, it's a Cash App landing page. So I'm going to show you how to send traffic to this landing page for absolutely free. And I mean, you can get started right away. Okay, and we are going to be using only Twitter for this method. So now if you go to SimilarWeb and we type in Twitter, you can see the traffic, right? Twitter is the 5th most visited website in the world and also in the United States. And this is not me just saying it, this is according to statistics. And as you can also see here, the most traffic that jump on Twitter is from the United States, followed by Japan and the rest. So now the next thing you want to do is go to your CPA Grip account and grab your link to this landing page. Okay, so now you want to come to your CPA Grip account and then you want to go to my offers. So once you are in my offers, then you want to come here and change it to United States. Okay, it's very important. And the second thing you want to do is you want to come to the search bar and type in Cash App. So you are going to see this offer. So once it pops up, you click on it and then you grab your link. So if you grab your link, it's going to take you to this landing page. So if we paste the link in here, so as you can see, it brought us to this same landing page. So now you can see it says, do you use Cash App? You click yes. How do you plan to use your $1,000 to your Cash App account? Keep it or give it to a friend? Of course, most people want to keep it. And then how many times do you go shopping per week? So you can just click whatever it is, and then before you know it, it pops up this box where the person needs to input their email. As you can see, it works. So as you can see, it works. So if they input their email here and they click on continue, CPA Grip is going to pay you. And this offer right here pays $1.33. So imagine you get about 20 people to this offer a day. To 23 times 20, let's just use the bare minimum. You can see you are making around $50 a day. And like I showed you, most traffic or most people using Twitter are from the United States. So there's a lot of chances that most of the people that are going to click on your link are going to come from United States. And the good thing about CPA Grip is, even though the person clicking on your link is not from the United States, CPA has this smart URL that is going to redirect them to a similar offer to whatever country that person is from. Alright, so it's more like a win-win situation for everybody. So the next thing you are going to do, you want to go to Twitter to drive traffic. So when you're on Twitter, you want to type in, I want to go shopping. Okay, so once you do that, then you want to make sure you come to this latest post. So it shows you those that posted this recently. As you can see, you see a lot of people. You can see this one says, I want to go shopping and I want to buy things from your money. That's quite funny, but okay. So what you're going to do, once you grab this, your CPA link, you're just going to DM this person and send the link to them. Okay, you are going to see a lot of people that, as you can see, this person here says, I want to go shopping. All right, so I want to go Woody shopping. You can just send them to this Cash App landing page. Okay, and once they complete that 3 survey and input their email, that is how you literally make money. And these people are targeted because they want free money to go on shopping. As you can see, this is another one here just about 4 hours ago. And the beauty about this method is, whenever you reply any of these posts, anybody else who comes to this post are going to see your link, and if they also click on the link, you make money. So if anybody else likes the reply, their followers are also going to see that reply, and then you can see you are driving even more traffic to your tweet. So the beauty about this method is, if they follow, if they like your tweet, their followers are also going to see that tweet, which means a lot of people, which means more eyeballs on your tweet. So literally, it's a very simple and straight to the point strategy. You don't need to, use any hashtag. Just basically reply as many tweets as you can. As you can see, we have another one here just 5 hours ago. So if you reply this person, Twitter is going to send them a notification that you replied them. So if this person likes your reply, okay, more people are also going to see the replies, and whoever comes to these tweets and see the reply, you are going to get a lot more traffic to this landing page. Okay, so that is literally what you need to do. And also, you don't want to spam your link around. You want to actually give a memorable comment. You can let them know you found a way to get free $1,000 from Cash App for shopping. All right, so you can get creative with how you want to construct your comment so it doesn't look spammy, because like yourself, if you see any spammy comment, you won't click on it either. So make sure to give a valuable comment and then leave a link to the landing page. So literally that's how you go about doing this process, and you don't want to overdo this method. Okay, if your Twitter account is fairly brand new, then you want to make sure not to reply more than 30 people a day. So literally you can make a lot of Twitter accounts and do this method over and over again. You are going to start getting targeted traffic to your landing page. I know this video is short, but I've seen a lot of people complaining about not making anything on CPA grip. So this is literally a simple method that you can implement today and start getting results to your landing page. And if you find any value in this video, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, then feel free to look around the channel. There are awesome videos on this channel that you are going to love, and it's going to help you improve your earnings and CPA marketing. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.